So I wanted to do my nails, and I have a neighbor that is a nail technician. She told me home service at a discounted rate as her neighbor, you know now, 12,000. So if I'm not your neighbor, uncle, I want to buy my nail things, so brought out my plate of nails with all my gadgets then. I will DIY the shit out of it, so let's go.
So guys, this is my container of nails, but I got this additional regular nails and glass nails, new file glue. So I'm going to start.
Melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again.
So these are the nails I have selected according to my finger sizes. I'm not gonna film all the process online. So I'm doing the double nail method, and for this video I am going in with the glass nails first, because in the past when I do the white nails first, the glass nail is transparent, you can see dirt and it makes room for discolorations and all that. So I decided to do it differently this time, and I think I love the results.
Spin me in a web with all your lies. Want you to feel the way I feel.
When it comes to polishing my nails, I think I'm still like on an intermediate level. I'm good at doing the whole plain nail polish thing, but I don't know how to do design. Like if I try it, it's going to get ugly. In fact, I can barely keep my hands still to let the nail polish dry so I can get a neat and perfect nail polish. So I'm just gonna go in with this plain black nail polish for now. I'll probably go to the salon maybe after a week to get a professional cut. So yeah, this is what my nail looks like after I was done. I know it's not perfect. I may have to go to the salon to do a professional painting, but this is the color I'm wearing right now. I'll probably wear this for at least a week, then I'll probably head to the salon to change the color and probably touch it up. But at least I saved myself some 12k, and even if I go to the salon to touch it up, they may just charge me like 2,000 because of gel color, like gel nail polish. So yeah guys, let me know, how did I do?